You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Dutch, yes, he's Dutch, Formula One racing driver. If you want to learn more names from Formula One and racing and car names and other pilots, make sure to stay tuned, alright? So the Dutch pronunciation, therefore the most correct pronunciation, is as Max Verstappen. So you've got a V that is pronounced a little more like an F. In Dutch, it's not quite an F, but it's in between an F and a V. Verstappen. Max Verstappen. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.